Hello and welcome to our video on tips for choosing different patterns of coherent bed cover designs. Today we will discussing some helpful tips that will make your search for the perfect coherent cover designs much easier. So let's get started. Coherent bed covers are a popular choice for adding a touch of elegance and warmth to any bedroom. They come in the variety of patterns, styles, and colors, making it a bit of overwhelming to choose the right one for your bed. Don't worry, you have some tips that will help you in the process. The first tip is to consider the size of your bed. Coherent bed cover comes in different sizes, so make sure to measure your bed before making a purchases. You don't want to end up with a cover that is too small or too big for your bed. Next, consider the pattern of your coherent bed covers. There are endless options when it comes to patterns. For simple strips to indicate floral designs, choose a pattern that complements the overall look for your bedrooms and reflect your personal style. Another important factor to consider is the color. Cross-side bed covers are available in the wide range of colors, so it is important to choose one that matches the color schemes of your bedroom. You can also opt for a contrasting color to add a pop of color to your room. The type of yarn used for the coherent bed covers also plays a crucial role. There are different types of yarns such as cotton, wool, and acrylic, each with own unique textures and feel. Consider the climate and your personal preference before selecting the type of yarn. Now let's talk about the tools you will need to create your own coherent bed covers for beginners. It is the best to start a simple patterns and a medium size coherent hook. You can also find pre-made coherent bed covers if you don't want to make one yourself. Don't be afraid and get creative and try to new patterns. Coherent is a fun and relaxing hobby and the possibilities are endless. You can even